Hey guys, welcome back to Tug's Garage. Today on the channel we are going to go over this future project we're working on. So stick around and enjoy the show. Alright, so what we got here, purchased this go-kart. It is a Carter Brothers SPX. It's got 4-wheel coil-over shocks. It's set up for electric start. When I got it, when I bought it, the axle's broken. There's the engine for it. It's a 212cc Predator. I'm pretty sure it's a 30 series torque. But here's the axle. The axle's broke. I got it pretty much like a basket case. Everything was tore apart. Here's the axle tubes. But yeah, this is just a little short video to show you what's coming up in the future. So if you guys really are interested in seeing this, leave me a message in the comments. I got the axle coming, and I got new bearings coming for the axle. And I also ordered got a light kit coming. Go put 2 pods up here, put a 11-inch bar on the front. And we're gonna do some other things. I'm pretty sure he might want to paint this, but it's pretty good shape. I got it on. I feel I got a pretty good price on it. But yeah, let me know in the comments if you guys are interested in seeing this, and I'll share the process on fixing this dude up through the winter. So guys, until next time, take care and have a good one. And I'll see you in the next video. Later. Peace out. Bye.